Speaking English is a dream for many people. Some people want to speak English for work. Some want to travel. Some want to study. Some simply want to communicate with people from different countries. But many learners have the same problem. They understand some English. They know many words. They learn grammar. They watch English videos, yet they still do not speak. Why does this happen? The reason is simple. Many learners think they must become perfect before they start speaking. They believe they need perfect grammar. They believe they need a huge vocabulary. They believe they need to sound like a native speaker. Because of this belief, they keep waiting. They study more. They learn more words. They watch more lessons, but they never start speaking. This is one of the biggest mistakes in language learning. Speaking English is not something you do after learning English. Speaking English is how you learn English. Think about a child. A child does not wait to learn thousands of words before speaking. A child starts with simple words, then simple sentences, then longer sentences. Little by little, the child becomes fluent. English learners can learn in the same way. You do not need perfect English, you need simple English. And most importantly, you need practice. Today is the first day of this course. So today we are not going to focus on difficult grammar. We are not going to memorize long vocabulary lists. Today we are going to start speaking. Let's begin with very simple sentences. Listen to these sentences. I am Ali. I am a student. I live in Pakistan. I like English. I want to improve my speaking. These sentences are very simple, but they are useful and they are real English. Many learners think simple English is bad English. That is not true. Simple English is powerful. Simple English helps you communicate. Simple English builds confidence. Every fluent speaker started with simple sentences. Now think about yourself. Can you say these sentences in English? I am Abdul Nasir. I am learning English. I live in my city. I enjoy watching videos. I want to speak English confidently. If you can say these sentences, then you are already speaking English. Maybe your English is not perfect. That is okay. Perfection is not today's goal. Today's goal is speaking one sentence, then another sentence, then another. That is how fluency grows. Now let us talk about another common problem. Many learners are afraid of mistakes. They think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh at me? What if my grammar is incorrect? These thoughts stop people from speaking, but mistakes are normal. Every learner makes mistakes. Every fluent speaker made mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Mistakes are not a sign of failure. Mistakes are a sign of learning. Imagine a person learning to ride a bicycle. Will they fall sometimes? Of course. Falling is part of learning. Language learning works the same way. You speak, you make mistakes, you improve, then you speak again. The more you practice, the better you become. Another important thing to remember is this: speaking is a skill, and skills improve through practice. Imagine someone who wants to learn football. Can they become a great player by only reading books? No, they must play football. Imagine someone who wants to learn swimming. Can they learn by watching videos only? No, they must enter the water. English speaking is the same. You must speak. Not tomorrow, not next month, today. Many learners spend years preparing to speak. Instead, start speaking now. Use simple sentences, use easy words, use what you already know. For example, I am happy today. I feel tired. I am hungry. I need some water. I like this book. I have a question. I understand. I don't understand. These are small sentences, but they are useful in real life. The goal is not to sound impressive. The goal is to communicate. Communication comes first. Fluency comes later. Now let's talk about confidence. Many people think confidence comes before speaking. Actually, confidence comes from speaking. The more you speak, the more confident you become. The more confident you become, the more you speak. It is a cycle. So do not wait for confidence. Create confidence through practice. Start with 1 minute. Speak English for 1 minute every day. Talk about yourself, talk about your family, talk about your day, talk about your plans. The topic is not important. The practice is important. You can even speak alone. Look around your room, describe what you see. This is my room. This is my chair. My phone is on the table. The window is open. The room is clean. This may seem simple, but simple practice creates strong results. Remember something very important. Fluent English is not fast English. Many learners think fluent speakers talk very fast. That is not always true. Fluent speakers talk clearly. They express their ideas naturally. Even simple English can sound fluent. So do not focus on speed. Focus on clarity. Focus on speaking regularly. Focus on using English every day. As this course continues, you will learn how to talk about yourself, your daily routine, your family, your hobbies, your plans, your feelings, and many other topics. But today, there is only one goal. Start. Start speaking. Start using English. Start building confidence. Do not worry about perfection. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not worry about difficult grammar. Just start. Because every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Every confident speaker once felt nervous. Every success story started with the first step. And today is your first step. Today, you started speaking English. That is something to be proud of. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep learning, and most importantly, keep moving forward. Your English journey starts today, and this is only the beginning.